I know it looks like I'm killing it, but I'm not. It's already gone. It's what do they call it? It's self-seeded itself, and it's come over and dropped down. So we're going to use this for a particular project we're doing now, and you'll see in a minute what we're using it for. What are you thinking? I'm thinking on edge, but no.
Do what you like.
I was going to use
Buzzard.
conventional conventional what?
Conventional method.
Yeah. But it's getting dark, and we've got to get this cracking.
Getting tired.
Please. And we'll get to it in a second. Okay, we'll let the wood die down a bit till we've got some hot coals, and then I'm going to show you how I crackle my pork. I'm serious, I am. I'm going to show you how I crackle my pork. Okay, so priority one is, was that a bird?
Mm-hmm.
So get your pork and put it in your pan. Look at the size of that. This is a shoulder.
As long as it's safe to do it.
We'll do that. Okay. Actually, I might have to drop it off the stand, Jane. Jane's just popping some sweet chestnuts on the skillet.
That we just found.
We're going to mix them with the stuffing, and I'm going to show you now how I crackle my pork. Oh, you missed that, Jane.
Just scoring them a bit.
Yeah. Brilliant. That's all
them.
from the woods. Okay. Followed by vinegar.
Light was on.
Sorry?
Light was on in the van.
Was it? Followed by vinegar. Loads of it. Till it's soaked. And then is salt. Himalayan. So yeah, so I'm going to have to drop the legs down a little bit. Yeah, they're done, I think, Jane. Yeah? Look at that. Jane used to be a chef as well. Right, so that's done. I've dropped the legs. Put him on. Sorry.
That looks better.
Okay. Looking good, isn't it? Do you know? I said before about that table, my little red table. Yeah. So guess what James just said? Call that a table? This is what you call a table. This is such a skank. It's a big piece of pork, eh?
Certainly is.
Side. You probably can't see that properly.
I think it's the wind's coming from this side.
Yeah, it's changed direction now, but it's fine.
It's not that windy.
And that's it. I've got a piece of what the hell? Why do I keep forgetting names? I think I must be getting old. Paracord. There we go. Probably can't see it, but there you go. Just see it. So I've got the lantern fitting on. And I've got the power pack attached to my tripod because otherwise my battery's going to run flat. So it's brilliant. Right, so we'll come back to you in a bit. Just like show you the campsite, the setup, and we're staying the night. So we'll keep on checking on the pork and I'll keep you posted. Jane's just done a pate,
Chestnut stuffing.
patty and wild chestnut stuffing, which we're going to put on the fire now as well. Crackling stuck to the lid a little bit, but that's okay. I shall definitely eat that off the lid. Right, well, I got the lid off again. Jane's going to pop the onions in.
Can you get more water in it? Might be an idea.
Oh, might be an idea.
Hang on.
Right, I'm just going to keep down for a second.
It's been over an hour.
Yeah, look at that. I mean, that is absolutely gorgeous, but it's right. Okay, hold on a sec.
You can hear actually.
This bit. It's
Only
massive.
a tiny bit before.
Oh, hold on, I'll put it on there.
Yeah.
See this bit
There's
here?
not going to be any crackling left, is there?
I'm having that. Woo!
Oh,
Oh, it's got the fire. Oh, look, that's alright, I'll eat that. Okay, lid back on. Look at that.
and the mouse makes 3.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. Beautiful.
Gravy?
I don't know if you can hear that, but
It's the sound of crackling. Rosy.
that's how to crackle your pork in the woods. That's the crispy skin of a potato.
Crispy.
Crispy. Oh man, that's beautiful.
Are you hungry?
I'm absolutely starving, Jane.
Look, we haven't yet then.
No. Parsnip. It's cooked, isn't it?
It's stuck
It's beautiful.
to the skillet. We don't want too much, do we? You'll be
No, don't say
farting
that
all
word.
night, you will.
Right, let me just stop. Well, this is camp cooking. No, yeah. What do you want? Crack it. No!
Oh, yeah. I've got my glove on.
Leave a little bugger.
Well, I'm there. Yeah.
Together. Teamwork, that's better.
Ooh, no, not that bad.
Whoa, that's hot.
Any gravy bits?
There we go. Okay. You see, she's pinching all the crackling, Jane.
I'm pushing one piece.
Right, let's get the gravy going. It's all gone because we've been nicking it. Look at it. Have some more.
Some juice.
God, it's beautiful.
Do you like juice in the gravy?
Not yet. Oh. I told you how to crackle my pork, and that's how you do it. Beautiful. Crackling here. It's a little bit soft on the end, but that's
We
fine.
always used to use salt, didn't we?
Yeah.
Where did we get the vinegar from?
Wasn't it a Denmark thing?
Gula.
Yeah, Gula. There we go. No. Extra juices in the gravy.
I do like a bit of gravy.
Oh. So, absolutely
I'm
amazing.
hungry. We've only had bacon.
I know. And we've had probably a bit too much wine too early in the evening, but we're all right. We're all right. We're all right. Right, so I'll pause for a second and we'll have a sample of this and I'll let you know what it's like.
A little bit of salt.
Oh, that looks amazing, Jane. It's all cooked, isn't it?
Thank you.
You didn't do it.
I
Well,
did.
we helped.
I did.
It was a joint venture.
See, we're not heathens.
Down a bit. Down a bit. Applesauce.
Yeah. See?
Yes!
We're very civilised.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Go on, get a nice piece. I want an absolute wedge.
You filming?
Yes, I am.
I'm no good at carving.
You're doing a really good job. Stop. Don't worry about it.
I can't see. I've got my glasses on.
No, it's beautiful.
Actually, it's well done, isn't it?
Oh, look at that.
It's my.
Oh, you.
You've
So far, it's fine. There's loads left. Absolutely
got two
loads.
pieces already.
Ooh, the string's fine.
Turn the camera off.
No, you're gonna. Oh, you madam! You skank, you are. Give me a nice big wedge. Big wedge. Go on.
No, this is greedy.
It's not greedy. I'm already starving. But watch this piece. Watch this piece. Look at this.
When we were
Oh,
little,
come on.
hang on. When we were little, we would have had one slice.
Yeah, I know. I don't care. We're not little. We're
We're
adults.
big.
We're big. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
This
Watch
is
this.
why we're big.
I want all that.
Okay.
I'm starving.
I've got enough, I think.
Have you?
Yeah.
Sucker. I don't want the string though, if I can help it.
Whoop, 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 whoop.
Thank you.
Eight.
Eight. Go on, just go, 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 go. Yes! That's it.
Have we got that?
Yeah, I've got, oh, here we go.
See? My little... Oh, that's enough for me, thank you.
Is it?
Is that that?
Yeah, of course. Probably, I'll tell you what, anyway, you need to come camping with us. 'Cause it's hilarious. And we do eat well.
Oh.
I'm not joking. Come on, we've done well. In the woods. You like your gravy, don't you?
I do like gravy.
There you go.
Oh, I can't open the apple sauce.
There we go.
It's quite cold, but it's quite warm now, isn't it?
Will you do it?
Oh,
Oh, it's done.
there you go. You want to put a spoonful?
We got the spoon?
Oh, yeah.
There we go. I only want a little bit.
Done well, actually. How long's it been? 2 hours?
I don't know, James, what time it is. Which do you want? Is that enough or do you want a bit more?
That's fine. Thank
Sure.
you. Yep. Tell you what, you look the
Oh.
spoon.
And there we go. Thank you very much for joining with us. We're going to tuck into this now and it's
Sod off.
good. And we're going to have a couple of wines and we'll bring you back in a bit. Right, give us a taste.
Just Halloween.
You know that bit where I go on the video? It's beautiful. Honestly, we're starving. Watch this. See this here?
Oh, come on.
Oh, gravy, applesauce, pork, the crackling,
Halloween.
the carrots, the Halloween.
Yeah.
Take
you
care.
look-
Thank you
look
very
like
much
a
if you
ghost.
enjoyed it. If you stayed all
Your
this way with
eyes
the
are
video.
red.
What?
Your eyes are red.
Thank you very much if you enjoyed the video. Thumbs up and like. And we'll catch you in the next video. All the best. Love you loads. Bye. Oh.